they shouldn't be uncomfortable definitely, and the first thing is they should look to enjoy. And there's so many of them, they have not played IPL before, but I've just tried to keep telling them already that it's just same 6 balls. You know, you have to bowl what you have done on a junior level or a Ranji Trophy level, or as a batter, they all have played domestic T20s. So there's nothing changes. And the main thing is just to soak into the atmosphere. You know, just as a coach, it's my job to just try to give them that confidence. Me as a coach, or all the coaches at RCB as a franchisee, we are behind you. You know, we all want you to do well. They shouldn't feel that, you know, what if they'll fail. You know, it's a process. All in all, we are working on it, and the kind of unit we have, I think we will go through with these boys. What situation they are in, at some point of my career, I was also in that situation. Maybe when I started, IPL wasn't there, but there was international cricket. Then you have Ranji Trophy. So, you know, like whatever, as a coach, I've experienced. That's my job to pass on to them, not only as a bowling unit or a batting or fielding unit. There are so many more very important aspects of the game. It's not that I try to be funny, that's the way I am, but maybe people might be finding it funny. But yeah, I just try to keep things simple and light. You know, every day is not going to be a good day. And I am behind all the players, this team, all the bowlers or batters, especially when they are having a bad day. For that, I have done preparation or a homework when they are down and out, how to lift them. So there are a few things. Everybody is different. I would say jump in the pool, go to spa and relax, listen to music, or go on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter, you know. So whatever relaxes you guys, you just look forward. Whatever has happened, especially in this format. You know, you can have a very bad day or 2 very bad days back to back. You have to be mentally very strong and move forward and try to do things whichever relaxes your mind and body, and get ready for the third game.